This video is brought to you by We Can Be Heroes. Watch now only on Netflix. Today, we're gonna tell you about an awesome new Netflix film, We Can Be Heroes.
It's a kids superhero film from the director who made kids superhero movies cool in the first place, Robert Rodriguez. Ever heard of Spy Kids or Shark Boy and Lava Girl? Those are such classics. We've literally watched them so many times. If you enjoyed those films as much as we did, then get excited, because We Can Be Heroes takes place in the same universe.
Ladies and gentlemen.
This is unbelievable. Our heroes have been captured by alien intruders.
The heroics have fallen.
We Can Be Heroes is about a group of superhero kids who need to work together as a team to save their superhero parents from alien invaders.
Luckily, they learn how to use their unique powers to bring them home. And at the heart of all of the action is a sweet story about friendship, family, and working together.
Like their team's leader, Missy. In the film, her and her dad use communication bracelets to stay connected. What a super special father-daughter bond.
Aw, that's so sweet. I wish we had bracelets that kept us connected. Let's make friendship bracelets! Friendship bracelets! Friendship bracelets! Friendship bracelets! To make a classic half-hitch knot friendship bracelet, all you're gonna need is some string, scissors, and tape. Once you get the knot down, it's pretty simple. Just be sure to have grown-up supervision whenever it comes to using the scissors. We have a bunch of different color strings to make our We Can Be Heroes friendship bracelets.
I think we should make bracelets for each other, then pick out colors that match our own superpowers.
That's so smart! Yay! We might not have shark strength or any other typical superpowers like flying or teleportation, but in real life, everyone has their own unique and personal superpowers. Oh, just like Missy. She doesn't really have your typical superhero power, but she learns that she still has her own unique powers, like being a strong leader that helps the team save their parents. Giselle's is probably napping because she can literally fall asleep anywhere.
Very true.
Now, which colors say napping the most? Ooh, these blues and greens seem pretty tranquil to me.
Yeah, let's use those. Okay, let's hack it.
Step 1, cut 2 strands of embroidery floss or string about 5 feet long. Fold in half and knot in the middle to make a loop. Secure with tape to table. Use the green cord to tie a half-hitch knot. A half-hitch is tied by moving green cord 2 under the blue holding cord 1, making a figure 4. Then continue the green cord back over the blue cord and under green cord 2 on the right. Pull green cord 2 up to tighten the knot. Continue to alternate back and forth between the 2 cords to form the rest of the bracelet. Now we have a beautiful friendship bracelet in cooling. Restful colors for our favorite super sleeper sister. Do you guys want to watch We Can Be Heroes?
Yeah! watching today's video. Like, subscribe, and click the downloadable activity link in the description box below for 2 more friendship bracelet DIYs to try.
If you make your own friendship bracelets at home, make sure to tag at GoldieBlox and at Netflix Family on Instagram.
And be sure to watch We Can Be Heroes only on Netflix. We will definitely be watching it over and over again for sure.
Yes. Bye! Friendship bracelets! Friendship